Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix headphones not detected on your Redmi Note 15 5G. So first, what you guys want to do if you are using USB-C headphones, then make sure to clean the charging port at the bottom. So here we have the charging port. Now make sure that it is clean in the inside, because if it's not, then what can happen is basically it will block the connection between the headphones and the charging port, so they will not work or the sound will be very poor. Now what you guys want to do next is restart the phone. So hold the power button and the volume up button. Now swipe down to reboot, and now your phone is rebooting. So I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. Now after the phone restart, what you guys can do is go over, and if you're using an adapter for the USB-C to 3.5mm headphone jack, then make sure you're using an original one or a certified one, because if you're using a cheap adapter, then it can break down any second and you will never know when. So after that, what you guys want to do is, let's talk about the Bluetooth headphones now. First, you want to go over and turn the Bluetooth off and on. So my Bluetooth is already off, but I'll turn it on, then I'll turn it off, and then I'll turn it on again. So this is a quick restart of our Bluetooth. Now if your headphones are already paired and they are not connecting, then forget them and then repair them again. After that, you need to make sure that you charge your headphones fully, because once I've had this situation when my headphones were at like 60 or 70% and they wouldn't connect, but once I charged them up to 100, then there was no issue connecting them after all. So make sure to charge them up, and as the next step, what you guys want to do is avoid device interference. So avoid using headphones with another device, because whenever you connect your headphones here and they are already connected somewhere else, then it will be a 50-50 when it connects first. So whenever it connects first, it can connect here, there's a 50% chance, or it can connect to another device. This is also 50%. So don't take the chances, make sure that they are always connecting to your phone. And after that, what you guys can do as a last resort for both of the headphones, the wired ones and the wireless ones, you can check your software update. So go to About Phone, click on the HyperOS right here, and it will check automatically if you have the latest version. If not, then make sure to update it. I have the latest version, but if you don't, then update it, because it's very important to keep up with the latest version of your software. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.